everyday English
with kids.
We are going to unload the dishwasher. Will you help me? Okay. Okay, open it. Good job. Now let's pull out the racks. There's one. There's two. All right. First, we're going to put away these grown-up cups. They go up here in this cabinet right there. Are you stacking them?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Now you have to take them out and put them upside down. Perfect. Good job. Okay, don't close it yet. We have to put more things in that cabinet still.
Okay.
But come down here. Now we need these bowls. Now put the bowls right up there. Whoa. And one more. Perfect. Let's go get some more dishes. I'll get some plates now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you put the plates away. Perfect. Here's some more. Awesome. And we have to open the silverware drawer. Okay, come here. See all these big spoons? Those are called serving spoons. Put those spoons in this container right here.
There's sure a lot of serving spoons.
Okay, now get the whisk.
And this?
Yes, but be careful because that's sharp. Only grab it by the black handle. They go in this drawer. No, don't cut it, please.
Why?
Because that will cut our mat. Okay, close the drawer. We need this measuring cup. It goes up in this cabinet right here. Put it up in the cabinet.
And this one?
Yeah, you can put it up there. All right, I'll get you the other one. Now put this one in.
This one's heavy.
Yep, don't drop it.
I'm gonna put it here.
Yeah, good job. We need to get the kid plates.
That's a lot of kid plates.
Yep. You gotta stack them so the holes match up. See? Whoops. Yeah. Just like that. Stack the rest of them. Good job. There's two more. One. Two. Can you carry all those? They go way up here. Ugh. Uh-oh. There we go. Good job. Now Jamie and Nora are gonna help with the rest. I'll put away these serving containers. Okay, Jamie, you get to help put this silverware away.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll take the basket out.
Okay.
And you come stand up here. Stand on this chair. There's a sharp knife in here. I will put that one away. Okay, now it's your turn to put this silverware away. Get us silverware. What's that?
A swiping.
It's a knife.
It's a knife.
Put it in here. Good job. Get another one. Another knife. Oh, a fork. Put it with the forks. Good job. Another fork. Whoops. It doesn't go there. It goes here. Let's turn it around.
Spoon.
A spoon. Put it right here.
Oh.
Very good. Oh, that's a measuring spoon. I will put that one away. Okay, now we'll close this drawer. Okay, now we need this drawer. This drawer is where all the kid silverware goes. Get a silverware. Put it in the drawer. Close the drawer. Good job. And we'll put the basket back in the dishwasher. Guess what? It's your turn. It's your turn to help Mommy. Come here. Get a sippy cup and put it in the bin. Good job. Get more.
I have two.
You have 2 sippy cups. Yay! Look, now the dishwasher's all empty. Push the rack back in. Yeah, and close the door. Good job. Yay, high five. Yeah.
Extra practice. Did you know?
Native English speakers often shorten the word because to cuz, sometimes spelled cuz. For example, it's time to go home 'cause it's getting dark.
Key phrases.
We're going to unload the dishwasher. We're going to unload the dishwasher. Let's pull out the racks. Let's pull out the racks. Put the bowls right up there. Put the bowls right up there. Open the silverware drawer. Open the silverware drawer. Come stand on this chair. Come stand on this chair. Push the rack back in. Push the rack back in.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.